Guess I'm gonna have to. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, this is.
Can't be responsible. It ain't my fault.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening a Fidget cube, and I already have this black one. This should be white and pink. So let's get into it. Yay! Oh. Oh. Whoa, look at the box. It says, like this, things that you can do. And it says, and on the front, it says cube. So let's get into it. The box is really cool. It's really hard.
Just do it!
I don't want to break the box. No other way. I guess I'm gonna have to. Oh! We did it! We did it! Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at it.
That's pretty good.
There. Oh look! On the back, it says like the thing. It has like a little note, and it says the things too. Like it even says what's it meant to be. Like for example, this one, it's breathe. So that's one, and then it says like some stuff inside. It says like, what is a fidget cube? And then it tells you the stuff. And then it says cube there. And then it says work, class, home. That's where you can use them. So let's get this out of the box. That was easy. Just need to slide it off. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ooh, that's a good clicking sound. Let's compare it. Oh, mine's louder than the black one. This dot is bigger, like, for the spinning. There is a little bit of differences. Yeah, they're cool. I like the switches. I just like doing this. Spinny. The buttons are cool. Now I'll show you all of the sides. Number one is breathe. Ooh, that feels good. Say goodbye to stress. So this one's good because like it feels really cool. Number two, roll. It's this side. So there's like this little metal ball you can rub and it'll move. And there's these three little like switches. I don't know what to call them. It's really nice. It's nice because like you can do this. I like doing this. And the ball kind of massages your fingers. Number three. Spin. So I like it. You can just like spin with your thumb. It feels really comfortable. It's nice because like you can spin fast and slow, and you can relax. Number 4, click. This this one. It's like 5 buttons. It's like on dominoes. They all click. I thought just 3 clicked. Those 3 are the loudest. So clicks pretty good. I like it because it's like clicking a pen a bit. Number 4, glide. Which one's that? Oh, this one. It's glide. It feels really good. You can just you can press it, you can spin it like that, and you can press it and spin it at the same time. Number 5, last. Wait a minute. Number 6, sorry. I got lost of count. It's flip. Like you can flip, flip, flip. So those were all of the sides of a fidget cube. I think I don't know which one I like the best. I can't decide. The link to buy it is down below in the description. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.